All right. Take some pots and pans. Oh man, look at that, some chicken or something. Ugh. Man, that is gnarly right there. Oh man. We don't get any chicken parts on me. Alright, let's go. And I'll tell you this, it is cold. Oh yeah, well, it's 37 degrees, but it's windy and it's raining, so that makes it even worse. But December 28th, we should have snow, but we don't. So I'll take it. Oh man, more pots and pans, yes. Everybody's getting new pots and pans for Christmas, so they're throwing their old ones out. I like it. That's stainless, probably. That's a big old box. It's like, man, that's a nice bowl. I'm gonna keep those. I don't know why, but it's not like we need a bowl, but it's a nice one. Oh man, I want to get that because that's got the brass in it. Watch your head. Nothing in there. Oh man, I wish I had a hammer. I don't. One of these break that sink? No. Maybe I can come back for it. This is the one from the other day that I couldn't take, but I'll take it now. Oh. Oh yeah. There we go. There we go. Mostly plastic. This thing is very plastic. Christmas leftovers. And I found a meth pipe in here one time. Kind of gives me the willies. Oh yeah. Always take the bed rails. I haven't found any bed rails in a long time. Usually I only get them when I'm doing curbside. Okay, I'm back in the Beat Laboratory. You're attached to my forehead right now. I'm gonna get these loaded up. This will be a good amount of weight, actually. Like 18 computers or whatever it was. Something like that. Well, we can count them here. That's 4. Eight. 9, 10. 12. 14. 15. 16, 17. 17. I thought I had 18, but maybe it's only 17. I don't know. We'll see what's down here. Oh yeah, here's another one. That's 18 right there. I'm not out of my mind. Okay. "18 computers. That's a record for me, and will be a record that stands for all of eternity. I'm sure I'm never going to have this many again. And then, what the heck? I could probably, like these power supplies, I mean, someone's done videos on them and it's just easier to throw them in the shred than to take them apart. You really don't get anything out of them. I will take one apart here, see what we got going on. Okay, so you're gonna get a little bit of copper here, a little bit here. I would just turn these in as motors, which what I get for motors in my last video, electric motors, 31 cents a pound. It'd take a bazillion of them to add up to anything. Then you're going to get a little motor on this. Other than that, yeah, it's really not worth it. You're better just to turn them in like this and be done so you can do the next project. So if Scorpion is watching, close your eyes. You see nothing here. Good morning. And keep in mind, it's not like I'm getting nothing for these. That one's a little heavier. I'll check that one out. I mean, I'm still getting paid. Got the wire off of them. That's good. Power supply. Good, that is cleaned up. All right. Look at this old thing. Didn't even know they still made vacuums like this where you pull it behind you. Okay. I had it taped up. Huh. Taped up right there. Oh man, this thing has seen its days. I'm not gonna fart around with it. Just I think there's good metal in that, but I'm not gonna send this to them. There's a motor in there. I can feel it, but okay, let's see. Throw these wires in my wire bin. Five-gallon bucket of plugs. That's going to be a monumental task. All right, this one was heavy, so I want to see what's doing here. Couple more little copper doohickeys. Oh, last one is going to strip out, huh? That's special. All right. Okay. Yeah, so I'll get the stuff off of this one, but that's the only one I'm going to take apart. And then Scorpion showed me this also, how to get the motor out of these. And you snip all these off. Hope they don't go all over the garage. Okay, so then that's a motor. So I've been putting these in here. That's where I'll put the rest. I'm going to take this thing apart, and I'm going to tell you right now, it is pretty heavy. Oh, I can't unscrew that. Oh, I know. I always forget these little things. Yeah. Oh, mother of pearl. Well, a lot of junk in that. Gonna hit it with some WD and come back. I don't know if WD will get out whatever's in there, but we'll see. Now, in the meantime, we'll get some of this stuff off. Hey, guys, you see what I'm seeing? This tube is brass. How is that possible? I've never seen that before. How cool. Put this back on my head. So wow, this whole thing is brass. Both of these things. It's just a matter of getting this rubber hose out of here. Up your nose with a rubber hose. Fantastic. That is so cool, man. All right. So stick that up your nose, that rubber hose. That's like, that might be the coolest find on here. It's not like it's a lot, but who would have thought? Never seen that before. Huh. I love it. Ugh. Oh man, this mofo. Wow. Gonna have to get medieval on this thing. Oh yeah, that fits. Yeah, oh, it's going down now. Come on, where's my attachment? It is going down. Aha! I love my tools. I tell you, people's sinks though, man, you're dealing with all kinds of DNA. I ain't down with that all that much. But man, that looks like that's all brass too. Okay, that just pops out. I am 99% sure that's brass. If the other things are, that is. It's got a little plastic inside though. Let's try this. Oh, interesting. So this is cast aluminum, but this piece down here is brass. Like it's turning. Huh. I wonder. Got me. Okay, I was able to get this thing out finally. I don't know what's gonna get this off of here, so I'm just cutting it. That ain't doing it. that brass off. What is this? It's aluminum. I feel like a total idiot right now. Like I can't figure this out. It can't be that hard, man. The other side came off and this one isn't. What the heck? Let's do this. Copper off of there. Okay, just to wrap a quick bow around this. This thing was actually stainless, so we'll call it stainless breakage with that plastic thing in there. Just a little bit of copper, a lot of brass. So that was a good haul just for one faucet. And then this is all aluminum, cast aluminum. So yeah, one faucet, not bad.